I'm going to tell you 10 passive income ideas in 2021 through which you can earn a lot of money. Let's start. The first passive income idea in 2021 is to create a YouTube channel. Did you know 82% of internet traffic will be video by 2022? YouTube is the second most popular website on the planet. People watch 1 billion hours of YouTube videos every day. That's more than Netflix and Facebook video combined. These stats show that the video consumption is going to increase in the coming years. And during this COVID pandemic, the video consumption has increased even more. So if you create your channel today and upload some good quality videos, then in the coming months you can get a lot of views. When you start getting a lot of views on your videos, then you begin to build your own audience, and through your audience and views you can earn a lot of money. You can earn money through ads that are served on your YouTube videos. You can earn through YouTube channel membership. When you build your audience, your fans pay a monthly subscription to you so that they get access to behind the scene footage or so that they have a live chat with you. Basically, they get access to members only perk for a subscription. Also, when you have an active audience that engages with every video that you post, when you host a live stream on YouTube, you get a lot of comments from your audience. Basically, if they want to ask you a question, they pay for the comment so that it appears on the top and it's highlighted. This can be a stream of income too. When you have a large audience and lot of subscribers, companies pay influential YouTubers to create a video about their new product. Example, if Canon launches their new camera and then they ask me to create a video about their new camera, then they pay me. Even this way you can earn money through your YouTube channel through brand sponsorship. If you have enjoyed this video so far, make sure you hit the like button and complete 20 likes on this video. The second passive income idea is affiliate marketing. Let's take an example. If I make a video reviewing this video and the viewer watching this video purchases the camera through the affiliate link that is given in the description below, I earn a commission for that camera. That's affiliate marketing. Every other big brand have their own affiliate program, and if you convince people to buy their products and if you have a large audience base, then you can earn a lot of money. Talking about audience and fan following, let's move to the next passive income idea, that is selling merchandise. If you have a big audience and fan following that recognize your brand, for instance, if you sell clothes and mugs with your logo, loyal customers are likely to buy your merchandise and provide you with some extra passive income. Speaking of selling clothes, let's move to our fourth passive income idea for 2021, that is to create an e-commerce store. E-commerce will make up 22% of global retail sales by 2023. India's e-commerce order volume increased by 36% in the last quarter of 2020. This increasing sales in e-commerce show that you should also start an e-commerce store. You can set up a dropshipping store where a customer makes a purchase of your product at the price you set, and then you get your commission, and then the order is forwarded to the supplier where he delivers the product to the customer. For example, if a customer makes a $20 watch order, you earn a $5 profit. The order is then forwarded to the supplier who charges $15 in the wholesale. The supplier will take care of the delivery of the product. You only need a store and a computer to operate an e-commerce store using a dropshipping model. You can even make a print-on-demand products for your e-commerce website. Print-on-demand is when you sell your own custom design on various different types of product. Print-on-demand product includes t-shirt, hoodies, and many other items. The fifth passive income idea is to create an ebook. Yeah, you can create an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle program. The cool part is that you don't need to print the ebook or ship the ebook. Amazon will take care of it. The sixth passive income idea is to convert your ebook or create an audiobook and sell on websites like Amazon Audible. The seventh passive income idea is to create a blog. If you get a good amount of visitors and your blog ranks on Google, you can monetize your blog through placing ads on it, through affiliate income and many other streams. The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in a creative way. If you have a skill, then you can earn a lot of money. If you are good at editing photos and videos, if you are a good graphic designer, or if you have a skill, you can put your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Companies and organizations pay you for your freelance services. The ninth passive income idea is to create an online course. You can create an online course teaching your skill and sell it on websites like Udemy and Skillshare. The 10th passive income idea is to create a licensing content. If you are a music artist, if you are a graphic designer, or if you are a photographer, you can put your work on licensing website. For example, if you create your own music and put it on websites like Epidemic Sound, people will purchase the license of your content so that they can use your sound in movies and documentaries without any copyright issues. Same goes with other licensing content like graphics, photos, etc. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos related to YouTube and website. Just hit the subscribe button below this video. Thanks for watching this video till end, and I will meet you in the next video.